Hey everyone, today, I'm excited to share with you my go-to recipe for a delicious homemade pizza. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need these ingredients: water, olive oil, pizza dough, flour. Toppings: feel free to experiment with your favorite veggies, meats, and cheeses, a pizza peel or baking sheet, and some cornmeal. Now, let's get started. First things first, spread the cornmeal on your pizza peel or baking sheet to create a solid base. Next, drizzle some olive oil on top and press down lightly to ensure it sticks. Next up is the dough. It's up to you whether you want to make your own or grab it from the store. Once you have that ready, add a generous amount of water and stretch it out over your pizza peel. Remember, there are no rules, just go with your taste buds. Now comes the fun part, the toppings. Pile on your favorite veggies, meats, and cheeses. Don't be afraid to get creative, after all, this is your pizza. And since we're making homemade pizza today, feel free to add extra sauce if you like. To finish it off, slide that tasty creation onto your grill, or use an oven if you don't have one, for about 10 minutes at 500 degrees. Voila! Your homemade pizza is ready to be devoured. Thanks for joining me in today's culinary adventure. If you enjoyed this recipe and want more delicious food ideas, don't forget to follow and subscribe for more content like this. Happy cooking, everyone!